In this video I will show you how to disable Copilot in Windows 11. It will disappear from the taskbar but not from the system, as it is currently impossible to completely disable it without using third-party programs that could potentially be a security threat to your computer. So, let's get started. Right-click on the Start button. In the menu that appears, select Settings. Once the Settings window appears, click on the Personalization section on the left. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Next, expand the taskbar section by clicking on the bar. Here in the Taskbar Items section, click on the toggle to the right of Copilot in Windows to turn it off. Copilot will then disappear from the taskbar. Thank you for watching.